Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Awesome Grabify. As you had seen the title of the video, yes, we are going to check out some free fonts websites that are available on the internet for free to download. Even if you are a graphics designer or you need the font for blogging, you can download them for free. Without any further delay, let's get started. If you are someone who is new to this channel, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notified as we upload great content on YouTube. Today I'll be walking you through one of the best 5 font sites that are free. First site is Google Fonts. As you can see, there are various fonts available to download. Let us check this font. You can type the text to preview. Let us increase the size of the font. These fonts are licensed under the Open Font license. You can use them freely in your products and projects. If you click on this tab over here, you can download it directly. Let's unzip the file and install one of the font. That's it, you had installed a font. Now you can browse and install any fonts. Next site we have 1001 Free Fonts. This font is free for personal use. You can also buy commercial license. You can browse for any font category you want to download. Let us download this font. Unzip it and install the font. And let's move on to the next site. This site is called DaFont. I'll choose this font to download. We can preview the font by typing here and press submit. This font is for personal use only. Let's download it. Let us move on to the next site. This site is fontsfree.net. This site is best for downloading your favorite fonts. Again, these are our personal preferences. You can comment down below. What are your thoughts? We would also love to hear your opinion. Let me show you this font named Swedish. Let's preview our font first. Cool, right? Let's download it. Let me be greedy here for a few moments and download this crazy looking fonts. I would highly recommend you to check out his website fontsfree.net. Coming up next is fontspace.com. Let's download this font. This font is free for personal use. You can click here to download. You can browse numerous fonts here and download it for free. These were the top 5 best websites which provide free fonts for personal use. I know you are feeling happy now that you got the link. I hope today I had helped you to achieve a new thing. Go Grabify your favorite stuff on the free internet. If you like our content, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notified as we upload great content on YouTube. This is Awesome Grabify. Thank you for watching the video, and stay blessed.